Say you never hear? You never hear say you fit buy your foodstuff directly from farmers? Where you dey? Even as a farmer, you fit sell your foodstuff to any consumer all over the world at the comfort of your home with this Gonana app. So dear, join me now. Just watch as I dey register am so that you go enjoy wetin I dey enjoy. First of all, you go download Gonana app for Play Store. After you don download am from Play Store, you go follow this process. You put your first name. After you put your first name, you put your surname. Then you put your phone number. Just as I dey do, they follow me, they follow me, they follow me, they follow me. They get. Then you go email. Put your email address. The one where they authentic because the robots they verify them. You put the one where they use active one. As I dey put my own. You follow my process. After you don't do them, you put your password. Make sure you put strong password. Confirm password. Once you don't put your password, you put your country. Of course, Nigeria now. Put your state, your Nigeria. Then you click go. Once you don't do it, they will send you verification code as they don't send me now. Put them. Once you don't do them, you put your profile picture. Once you don't put your profile picture, they give you opportunity to put password for your app. We only go access. Once you don't do them, you don't enter. For those who want to sell their products, like me, I better follow this process. The first thing you go do is to go to setting, click setting, then click profile, then click add product, then click add image. Like me, I want to sell tomato. I will find better picture of tomato. I'll make sure you find better one. No, put them. Now for title, you go put the name of the product where you want to sell. Like me, I want to sell tomato. I go put tomato. Overview, you go put the more description about it. Now for this way, no one use our courier service. No one use Gonana courier service. They want ship the product by themselves. Go click ship product myself. Then click proceed. Now the next thing you go see now create product. This section you will put the price of your product, the quantity and the weight, and even your location. The price now probably if you want to sell bag of rice, it will be 10,000 naira per bag, or you get quantity 20 bags available. Put them there. Once you don't do them, you click proceed, then click confirm. Once you don't do them, product post successful. So you already launch your product like this. They wait for your customer at the comfort of your farm or your shop. Now see what they do. For those who want buy products, any food product from Gonana app, I better follow this process where they do it. I want follow now. The first thing now to click the image like that is the food we want buy. Like this, so I want buy tomato. I'll go add to cart. I'll go down. Add to cart. I will click down there. Then go up. Click that thing with the like wallet. Click out. Go to cart. Once I click on there, I'll click the product I want buy tomato. Like this, I want buy tomato. I'll click on. Then click check out. Then I will put my address where I want the food to be delivered to. Then click validate. Then click the courier service where I want. Then proceed to pay. What I would do. If you pay in dollars, if you pay in naira, if you pay with crypto. For me, I want to pay with crypto now. I'll click pay now. Once you don't put the necessary details, the thing will bring out your password where you go put. Once you don't do proceed. Shikena. Transaction successful. For more information, visit www.gonana.farms.